Check out this awesome multi-purpose folding shopping cart. This can be used for everything from shopping to moving and just day-to-day use as well. It can hold 250-pound weight on here. Now, I don't weigh 250 myself, and I don't recommend standing on here, but just to show how durable it is, I could be moving around on here and it is okay. Again, not that intended use, but it can hold 250 pounds of weight on the steel frame. Now, it comes with this large bag that attaches to it with 2 straps on the back and a strap on the bottom so it stays in place. So you can fill this thing all the way up. It is deep. I mean, I can reach all the way down into it. It's just a full open area. There is a pocket on the inside with the zipper as well. And you're even able to Velcro close it. It has the Velcro on there, and it has this cinch where you can pull it tight as well and tie that down so that you can have valuables all secured in there. Don't have to worry about it spilling out, but you have the one Velcro strap up here along with 2 places for it to Velcro to keep it closed in 2 different areas depending on how full it is. And then you even have a small zipper compartment here to fit some smaller items as well. Now, the cool thing is the whole handle can collapse and you can have it in different positions to be able to have it for whatever works for you. Now, it can also go all the way down even more, and then you're able to even fold this whole piece just like that so that it can fold down to a very compact size, easy to put in and out of your car, in the trunk, or just in the back seat or passenger seat, wherever you want to store it. Super easy to unfold, and then you can lift the handle up again. It's super easy. Now, you can even have the whole bag off, and then it'd be easy to just take off the 2 straps here. And then on the bottom, you're able to take that Velcro strap off as well. And now you've got this collapsible folding cart. Now the cool thing is, check this out. You got the regular wheel positioning with the large wheels and the small wheels that move all the way around and that have brakes on them. So that helps you so that when you're moving, you can have them lock in place and easy to unlock with your foot, with your hand, whatever you want. Now you can even move this into a different position and it locks in place there. And that's great. You can have this used in different capacities now to be able to pull things along, and especially for heavier loads, it's great to have the wheels in that locked back position. This also is great as a dolly where you can have that foot support to be able to help you lift it and brace it when you're tilting something heavy, and you're able to use it much better than a cart that looks like this kind of overall shape but only has 2 wheels, because with the 4 wheels you have better stability, better control, and can just support that 250 pounds. This is just an amazing cart overall, great to be able to use yard sales when you're shopping, going about day to day, if you're a teacher, whatever it may be. So many different uses, so many people can get a lot of different usage out of this. You can even pack lighter groceries in here and carry this while carrying heavy items on here. I've even used this to be able to kind of go up a few stairs as well, going into my house. So this is great. I really love the large wheels. It provides great support for all the weight, and just to be able to make it easy to move over driveway, over a little bit of gravel, through a little bit of grass, and even up a few steps. So a really amazing piece altogether. One other piece I want to point out was this little locking mechanism. So when that is locked in place there, like so, then it won't fold. To fold it, you have to just kind of pull it out of place a little bit and able to fold it up like that. So super easy, and then you can even pull the wheels back out like that, and it folds up just to be a little bit more compact. Really amazing piece, highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.